What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to set up a webhook, like how Discord is. Like how to use a script in Roblox to send feedback, you know, or anything on of your game to your webhook or Discord. So if you wanna do it without Discord and without a proxy, this is how you do it. So all you do is go to the site. It's gonna be called Slack, basically Slack.com. So Slack. So you can you can click on Google, click Slack, and then once you get to Slack, all you do is sign up. And I can't show the sign up process because it's gonna show my email and it's gonna show other information that I don't need to share. So, anyways, once you set up your account, like basically it'll basically once you sign up, it you just put your email in, and then you just put the email um, code that got sent, you know, the code that got sent to your email. So, anyways, once you get that shit and set it up, all you do is set up a workspace. Like it may set up when you start, when you start it, but if you don't have a workspace, click right here on your name, whatever. Go to add a workspace. Go to create a new workspace if you don't have one. But once you do that, create a workspace. And then once you create a workspace, which is basically a solver that you have, see, so like I have a solver right here, Vivid Star. That's my activity. So you just create a workspace. So you just make this a solver, and and then once you do that, and it's an easy process. Don't worry, it's just like Discord basically. So, anyways, once you do that, once you get your solver, you just go onto your name of your solver right here, and then once you do that, you just go and where's the channel thing? Oh, I guess you have to create it from here. Well, you just click on where it says channels, and then you go to create channel, and then once you create channel, name it whatever you want. It don't matter. I'll just name it test 333. I don't know. And then you just go to public or private. It don't matter. It's your server. And then you just do that. Once you do, I don't know, if you want to invite anyone, skip it. We don't need to. So, anyways, what you do is you just go to what was it again? Oh yeah, your game. Go to editing studio, and once you edit in studio, you just get the script. I'll give it to you in the description. It's gonna be in the models. So, anyways, once you go here, you set up your webhook URL right here, which is very easy. All you do is just go here where your name of the channel is on the top. Once you go to the channel, and then once you go to the channel, then you go to the top. Once you go there, you just go to interrogations, so we can interrogate the channel. So once you go there, you just go to apps. Once you go to apps, we just go to um incoming connections. So let down, see, webhooks, actually, my bad. So we go to incoming webhooks, and then once we go to incoming hooks, we just go to add to Slack. So once we add to Slack, this is all you do. Once you add to Slack, choose a channel you want to post, the logs to, and then we're gonna do, the one we made. Okay, add to, add in irrigation, and then once you go here, scroll down until you find this part, and then once you go to this part, well, it says webhook URL. You can also do this too. Press Control, hold it down, and then press F, and you can also search it. So you can also search it. So you can be like webhook URL. Let's press it once. I mean, my bad. Twice. because it's on the thorn page basically right here, the thorn thing, whatever it's called, and then we just search it basically. You can if you want to do that, don't matter. But anyways, just copy the URL. But hold on, before we do anything, let's make sure we save it. So just in case we did anything, you can also customize the name of the webhook name. It's like Discord. So once you do that, you just go back and it says right here we added it. So once we added it, we just paste the webhook URL we made. See, and then we just paste it. Okay, and then hold on. Before we get to play, we have to do this. Receive. I put this here so you can know what it means, but anyways, here's what you do with it. What you do is you gotta actually have the name of the channel that you're putting your logs to or feedback, whatever feedback system, and then we just paste that in, and then publish to Roblox again. And once we go to publish to Roblox, we just go back, shut down server just in case, and then we just click play, and now we should be able to see the log. There we go. And that's how you do it without Discord and Proxy. So you don't need any of that. If you don't want to use Discord, then this is everything you need. So, and it's easy to set up too. If you don't want to use Discord and set up a proxy, like if you don't want to try bypassing and shit, then hey, there's a completely safe and easy way to do it. So, see ya. Thank you for watching, and comment below if you need any help or anything at all. So, see ya.